welcome back to another pack with me. So as per usual, this vlog will probably be a little chaotic. So I did a poll on Instagram and y'all wanted to see a pack with me and an unpack with me. That was like top rated by far. And so I have a lot of family stuff, to be transparent, going on right now. And so getting the like pack with me clips have been a little difficult. Like we leave in like 36 hours, 48 hours. And as y'all know, I typically start packing like a week before. If you've like been on my channel or have seen my pack with me's before. So I just feel a little stressed. So I've been packing when I can. And so great way to start a video, right? Especially a pack with me video. But I do want to show y'all what I'm using, where we're currently at, and what needs to be done. And then from there, I'll try and add some clips of packing the rest. And then I'll share the travel day, and then we'll unpack once I get to my hotel for residency. Current state. First off, I am using the Beis Weekender bag. So I just did a luggage review video, which I'll have linked below. And I talked about how this will be my main travel bag going forward. I've just found it to be the best option out of all of the options that I've tried. And honestly, especially since I started like pre-packing, I remember why I love this one so much. So the biggest thing I like about it is that it has the trolley pass-through, so that this stays secured on my carry-on, which is just beyond convenient when you're in a hectic airport. All the other bags I've had, it fell off, and then it becomes too chaotic. So I love the trolley pass-through. And then overall, I just like this bag because it's definitely, I like the setup, the organization, and then you can fit so much in it. So this is like the max size that you can use as a personal item. And then I'm going to be using my Beis carry-on roller. I'm a carry-on packer only type of person if you're new to my channel. So yeah, whatever. I'll be gone for exactly 1 week and I'm gonna make it fit. If it doesn't fit, it's not coming with. I don't need it. I can buy stuff. And then I always want to try and make room because I'm also going to do some shopping, of course. So yeah, little context. Now let's go into what is packed so far. So on this left side, I have Spanx, socks, and a bra. I have underwear here. And then below here, this side is typically where I put my like makeup bags and stuff like that. I'm going to carry them in my personal item in this bottom compartment, which y'all will see. But typically that's what goes on this side. And so we'll have plenty of room this trip because of the carry-on. So I'm really excited for that. But I have my Strathberry bag that I'm going to be using as my main bag while we're there. I'm going to end up putting that in the personal item. I've just put it here for now. That way, once we get where we're going and I get the rental car, I can just pull this out and have my purse ready to go. So a little on that. And then I wonder if this actually fits here. I might try and this is my Louis Vuitton Riviera Epi leather. This is the bag that I'm going to use for residency. So yeah, I wonder, and I'll make my bag lighter if I can actually fit this in here. So we'll try that. But this is the bag that I want to use when we're shopping and just going around before school. I'll have my shoes here. So I'm going to be wearing sneakers. I want to bring a pair of sandals, and then these are the shoes I'll wear in class. This is the add-on strap for the Strathberry. This is a little white belt for dresses, and this is just an extra pouch. This is all of my casual and sleeping clothes. So I have just like some Nike shorts in here, regular shorts for the days that I'm not in school or after school. And then I have 4 dresses in here for residency itself. Again, I'll do some shopping. Typically I find something else to wear, but I have 4 right now. And then when I unpack, I'll show y'all what all of this is. But for now, everything's rolled up into casual and school. There's a little slot here. I put a mini handbag that I'm bringing, which I'm not going to do on this trip, or my Nano Louis Vuitton, my niece Nano. Oh my God, my Louis Vuitton niece Nano. There we go. I'll have my prescription here. I also have some like Tylenol and jewelry, and then that typically can go right here too. So that's what will go here, maybe. But yeah, we have that, and that'll be that side. Let's see if this fits over here. And then I will definitely put, I feel like maybe if I put it on its side, Oh, I think it's too thick. That's why. I forgot about the base. So yeah, that won't fit in here. So yeah, this will have to go in the personal item, which is totally fine. So pull that out. And so for now, I think that's everything that we're gonna put in here. It's so weird that this is so empty, but I do want to take my makeup and stuff with me. I might put like my curling iron and straightener in here the day that we leave or the morning that we leave. But for now, let me show you what's in the personal item. Bottom compartment, right now I just have some deodorant, which I got new deodorant, so I'll put that in. So I have a full one, but I have my niece mini with all of, like, my hair products, and then larger items, and then my Chanel cosmetic pouch, which has all of my makeup and brushes. So typically these go over here, but since I have the room here, actually, no, I think I'll put my like straightener and stuff here because there's the room, but I'm going to carry those with me just in case I need to touch up anything. On the plane, it's easier, or like when we land, it's easier to get into this bag than it is to open up my full suitcase. So I'll probably honestly just leave these down here and add my straightener and curling iron there. At least for the trip there. Typically the trip back, sometimes I switch things up based on what I buy. So yeah, that is the bottom compartment of this bag. And then we have the top portion. So I have a Keep All 45 organizer in here, just so I have like these side compartments, like more side compartments. This has a laptop case, so this is where my laptop will go. And then over here is like one large pocket. And then what I like is this has like a water bottle holder, so I can put my water in there once we get to the airport. So we're gonna put this back in here. And then it will close with this in here, which I like. And then I'll put, so like right now I have my Louis Vuitton accessory in here, and this has my mouse, phone charger, my MacBook charger the day of. And when I have my MacBook, I'm still using them now. And then I'll add anything else necessary in here. And then for my Strathberry, we will probably squeeze this in on the side of the day, or maybe in here. We'll figure that out later. But yeah, that is current status. So I think I need to add maybe some more shorts, like jean shorts, and then a few like casual tops. And then I think overall that's what I need to bring. Because I'm wearing dresses, it's a lot less, it looks like, to pack, and I'm only bringing like a few pairs of shoes. So I have plenty of room, which is nice. Especially with using this, it's going to be a lot of extra room. So yeah, that is the current state. All right, guys, so we are in Newburgh for residency. Let me flip the camera around and show y'all how, sorry, my hair's a mess, how the suitcases look. So things have shifted, as I should have mentioned at the beginning of the video. I'll repeat it just in case. It's been a few weeks, oh my God, a few days. It's been a long week, and yeah, I'm just happy to finally be here. But we have all of the underwear and then socks and everything over here. I have my niece mini, my Chanel, and then this is a compartment for my straightener, or I'm sorry, my curling iron. We have the straightener and curling iron just thrown over here to make it even, and that way I could fit my Strathberry over here, which I'm going to use for, or which I thought I was going to use for residency, but ended up doing some shopping. I'll have a follow-up video soon, but got some new bags, so I'm not going to end up probably using this one on this trip, but this one also has my other Strathberry and just like a few other items that I like put in here. My straightener and curling iron, and then these are two skirts that I actually bought yesterday. Again, I went from one hotel to another, so I didn't really get in here because I didn't really need everything. I am going to unpack now since I'm here for residency. I also got this canister for coffee at Stumptown, which is my favorite brand of coffee. So I threw that in there. Before, there was nothing in there because I didn't need it. but packing cubes are still in here. Inside of the tote, we had my laptop in here. I had my knee stand because that has like my pills and everything, and then my agenda as well as my laptop, which is in the new tote that I purchased. So I just had all the like essentials in here, a jacket, and then sandals because I was wearing sneakers so I could easily change. So yeah, that is how I packed. So I'm going to put everything that I brought in this one in the drawers, and then this is everything for school, so I'm gonna hang it up. I'll probably do some ironing in a little bit. I got in a little bit later than anticipated, which is fine. I was spending time with family, or I might do it in the morning or just as the day progresses. Oh, sorry about that lighting, but these will go here, and then I'm gonna put all my toiletries and like straighters and everything on the counter. Sneak peek of the new bag. But yeah, that's typically how everything looks. Oh, I also have my shoes for residency in here, so let me just show you all inside of this to make it easier. I think my brush, I had my Saint Laurent what is it called, phone holder in the tote when we flew, because I like being able to take this out the minute I land, and it has my card holder, a lip gloss, and I can put the rental key in there and my phone, and then I use that for shopping. But my shoes for residency in here, and then extra straps and belts and whatnot. So yeah, other than that, that is my pack with me. I'm gonna have a few in honor of the last residency, other school videos slash vlogs. So I'm going to do a what's in my school tote because I thought that would be fun. And then I'm going to, of course, do the vlog, which will start after I enlist. And then I have a Q&A where I did a poll on just questions that y'all had and that I've just been saving or have been asked in the past. So yeah, really excited to share all this content with y'all. Other than that, that is gonna be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.